Hello and welcome! Very quick second channel video. I wanted to do this for a long time. I have 4 refrigerated cheeseburgers because I wanted to test if you have leftover cheeseburgers and you want to reheat them, should you use one of these sandwich presses or a microwave. So we're gonna find out right now. So the logic we're gonna follow is I want to use 2 with the wrapper on. And I'm gonna unwrap these 2, for example, and put one in the microwave as without the wrapper, and one with. And these ones, I'm gonna just put one in the sandwich press, like so. There you go. Good job. And the other one I'm gonna do with the wrapper. So let's do this one like that. This one goes up. And these 2 we'll do with the wrapper on. One in the microwave and one in the sandwich press. Alright, one is done already. This is the one without the wrapper. So let's put this just there. And let's put the other one with the wrapper. In it goes. For another minute. There you go. Goodbye. So this one certainly looks melted. It's soft. Curious to see how it ended up. And then we'll have this one in the sandwich press. So, all right. Second one is done. This was reheated with the wrapper on. Quite warm. Again, it looks neat. Seems like this one is done as well. So, hell yeah, look at this. Let me zoom in. Look at this thing. It's Mac breakfast right here. Or something. I don't know. It's like 8 p.m. right now. Alrighty. There you go. And in goes this one with the wrapper still on. Hopefully nothing bad will happen. There you go. Alright, my patience is up, so this has to be warm enough. Yeah, it's not as warm as the other one, but still, it's gonna be nice. So, let's try with the boring ones first. This is just microwave. Oh, it's hot. Bottom is very soggy. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of water on the bottom of the plate. It's not terrible, but definitely room to improve. Let's do this one then. Now the sog is on the paper, so let's learn if it's actually better. Oh, it's really warm though. Wow. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I think it helped. I don't know what it actually did, but this is the best so far. I think leaving the paper on, or wrapper, is the way to go, at least so far. But now, let's turn our attention to these things. Look at this. Let's do it. Mmm. Mmm. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. This completely refreshes the bread. This is soggy bread. This is less soggy bread. But this one right here, this is like a fresh thing. I feel like someone just made this for me. Like, from scratch. This is great. I was worried about this video. I was worried that we may not actually learn anything, because what if this just ruins the sandwich or burger, and turns out it's best to microwave, but so far that's the opposite. Alright, less of the grill marks, none of the sog, which is great, and yeah, like much more subtle way of grilling, but let's see. Still great. Okay. So, conclusion then. Microwaving without the wrapper, worst. Microwaving with the wrapper on, much better. Grilling in a sandwich press with the wrapper on, if you don't want it to be completely transformed into a tiny bit different meal, very good. And the best, surprisingly, or maybe not, is the grilled one without the wrapper on, because the bread just turns into like kind of a panini-like thing, which is unsurprising but surprising at the same time. Also, you get this beautiful char on the cheese and stuff. So I was worried that it all is hot might not end up being a good idea, but I am pleasantly surprised. This is great. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you learned something. I certainly did. And see you next time.